Alright, my Integra peeps, today I'm going to show you something really valuable. I'm going to show you how to take apart the cigarette lighter. I haven't seen any videos. Bro, if you don't shut your... Anyways, as you guys may know, some of your cigarette lighter housings may be really faded and this color like this one. So I'm going to go ahead and paint it. Also, I got to fix all the scratches and repaint this as well. But I haven't found any info on how to take this apart, but I figured it out. So you have on the back right here, you have this little connector protector right here. The way you undo it is you have two little tabs right here. You just gotta split them apart, and then this thing comes out like so. And you have two little prongs or connectors, so you don't do anything with the outside one. You just pull on the big one without breaking the wires. 1 second. Oh. And it just pulls straight up without any difficulty. Alright, anyways, you actually have a little light right here that I didn't know existed for the cigarette lighter and also for the ashtray. And these little lights are just really tiny bulbs, but they have kind of a condom on top of them to give them a tint. Anyways, once you have this in this shape, what you want to do is you just want to unscrew this little crown right here. It's gonna take some force, but I already loosened mine, I think, and I'll probably put this down again. I'll just put it like this. You guys are gonna be upside down for a little bit, but anyways, unscrew this thing. Unscrew this thing. Okay, somehow it got tight again. Let me put you guys in the right position. So I'm trying to do this without editing. You loosen this without squeezing too hard. Oops. There you go. It unscrews, and then oof. I don't even know what the right position is anymore. Anyways, once you unscrew it, it splits in two halves. This little cover, this goes forward, and now you got this, and you can take everything apart, clean it. You can also take this apart by unscrewing the end right there and the little prong. You can take it apart and clean everything up or replace whatever you need to replace. So that's how you do it. To put it back together, just make sure those little tabs align with each other, and then that they align into this, and that the back, the two dots on the back align with two dots back here, and then this socket has to align in between these two. And you put everything back together and you're done. Yeah, you're welcome, guys. Keep those Integras alive. My hands are sweaty. And subscribe to Pushing Gears, which is my main channel where I actually edit videos. So yeah, see you guys.